Hi, this is me Rezi, and I'm going to make the video of a learning experience of language and literacy. So this is for 0 to 2 years, and I'm going to make a video of the nursery rhyme sound play for 0 to 2 years. Using instruments and clapping activities, infants and toddlers learn rhymes and songs for the pronunciation and expressive language. They like this kind of like songs and videos. So I'm going to show you. So I have the video here. I'll play and do the clapping activities with the rhymes. Start.
Get ready to clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap your hands.
Clap your hands together. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Clap your hands together.
Now let's pat our knees.
Knees. Pat, pat, pat your knees. Pat your knees together. Pat, pat, pat your knees. Pat your knees together.
Can you stomp your feet?
Feet.
Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet. Stomp your feet together. Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet. Stomp your feet together. Now let's blink our eyes. Blink, blink, blink your eyes. Blink your eyes together. Blink, blink, blink your eyes. Blink your eyes together. Get ready to wiggle your ears. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle your ears. Wiggle your ears together. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle your ears. Wiggle your ears together. Now clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Clap your hands together. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Clap your hands together.
Yeah, this is it. And the babies learned from this song is like they know about the knees, ears, feet. They will know about this is our hand, this is our knees, this is our foot, ears. So yeah, this is very knowledgeable video for them, and it is very interesting to do for me as well. Yep, thank you. Bye bye.